hired by the school to care for the students and not to scare them. Understood? At saka, matanong nga kita, Professor. Baka naman meron sa pamilya ninyo ang mahilig maglakbay ang isip?
Wala naman po, sir.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, sir.
All right. Therefore, let me remind you once more that we pride ourselves in the quality of our education, and we cannot tolerate in this school teachers like you who go... Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, Professor. Let me give you a warning. This is the last time that you are going to do this, because the next time, you will be suspended. Okay? None of those things. No more.
Yes, sir.
School is for decent persons. All right?